when I was saying I was kind of surprised, I thought that the strip would go over the entire like deep frame like this. But you're supposed to actually like fold it in half. So you fold it like this, and then it goes over the frame like this, and it just hangs. So this is actually how it's going to go into the brood nest. The instructions for it. So Varroxsan, they came out with these really great FAQ. One strip, so this is one strip for every 2.5 frames of bees, FOB. So FOB doesn't stand for frames of brood, it stands for frames of bees. So one thing that I thought was really interesting about this product is you can use it with honey boxes on, but according to the label, you would put a maximum of 4 strips in a single brood box, whether that is 8 frame or 10 frame, you would do a max of 4 strips. So let's say, theoretically, you put your honey boxes on in March and you've got a double deep and then you queen excluder and then 2 more medium boxes on top. So you can put your oxalic acid strips on at the exact same time you put your honey boxes on, but you would put up to 4 strips in that bottom box. Directions say there needs to be 1 box separation from where the strips are to where the honey boxes are. You don't take these strips and just load up all the boxes and say, you know, 4 is good, 8 is better. It's a waste of money, it's a waste of product, and that's not what the directions say. So don't do that. And then it also says, let's say that same scenario, 4 strips in that bottom box, and it says add up to 2 more strips in that second box. So the most strips you would have on a box is 6. I also read on here that if you use medium boxes, so when I started beekeeping, I used medium boxes for everything. I didn't use any deep boxes at all. So the way that you should treat it if you use medium boxes is 2 medium boxes is equal to 1 deep box. Okay, the rule still kind of applies about keeping the Varroxsan separate from the honey, but you do want to make sure that you treat 2 medium boxes just like you would treat 1 deep boxes. So if you, let's say if you're doing medium boxes and you've got 20 frames of brood and that's kind of your brood nest, you wouldn't put 4 strips in each box and use 8 strips. It seems like the max that you would use on a hive is a total of 6 strips, and that would be in the bottom 2 boxes, unless you've got honey boxes on, and then it would just be in the very bottom box. You'd always want a gap of at least 1 box between the 2 of them. So directions are, let's say, frames of bees, 1 strip for 0 to 2.5 frames of bees, 2 strips for 3 to 5 frames of bees, 3 strips for 6 to 7.5 frames of bees, and then 4 strips for 8 to 10 frames of bees. Okay. Also, when you put this in, you're not putting them all on the same frame. Instructions say that you put 1 strip on, and then you have a frame without a strip, and then you would put the next strip on the next frame. So you're kind of checkerboarding it. Think about like that if you know that term. So it's every other frame in the hive. You can treat a nucleus hive, the rule still applies, but just like any treatment with a small colony, instead of putting the full dose on right away, you might want to break it out. So let's say if you had 5 frames of bees in a nuke, you may just do 1 strip and then a week later put another strip on there, so it's not like the full dose right away.